What if I told you that building powerful, production-ready applications with large language models just got a whole lot easier and more flexible? Forget the black boxes and rigid structures. Today, we're diving deep into Haystack AI, the open-source framework that's rapidly becoming the go-to toolkit for developers looking to build sophisticated, scalable, and truly intelligent AI systems in 2025. If you're an AI enthusiast, a developer working with LLMs, or someone curious about the future of intelligent applications, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Haystack is, why it's a game changer, see some mind-blowing real-world examples, and know exactly how to get started. Plus, I'll share why Haystack might just be the key to unlocking your next big AI project. Stick around. So what exactly is Haystack? At its core, Haystack, developed by the brilliant minds at Deepset, is an open-source Python framework designed for building applications powered by large language models. Think of it as a highly versatile and powerful set of Lego bricks for AI. It provides you with all the components you need, like retrievers, readers, generators, and agents, and allows you to connect them in flexible pipelines to create custom solutions. Why is this so important now in 2025? Well, the AI landscape is exploding. We have incredible LLMs from OpenAI, Anthropic, Cohere, and amazing open source alternatives. But harnessing their true potential means going beyond simple prompting. It means building systems that can reason, access external knowledge, and interact with other tools. This is where Haystack shines. Haystack's power comes from a few key concepts. Modularity and pipelines. You can easily swap out different LLMs, vector databases, or other components without rewriting your entire application. Its pipeline-based architecture allows you to design complex data flows where documents are processed, information is retrieved, and answers are generated or tasks are performed. Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is a big one. LLMs are trained on vast datasets, but that data isn't always up to date or specific to your private documents. Haystack makes building RAG systems incredibly efficient. Imagine an AI that can answer questions based on your company's latest internal knowledge base or real-time news feeds. That's RAG, and Haystack is a master at it. This directly combats LLM hallucinations and provides verifiable, context-aware response. Agentic workflows. We're moving beyond simple Q&A. Haystack empowers you to build AI agents, autonomous systems that can use tools, make decisions, and take actions to achieve complex goals. Think AI agents that can browse the web, interact with APIs, or even help you code. Scalability and production readiness. Haystack is built with production in mind. It's designed to handle large data sets and complex queries efficiently, allowing you to move your prototypes to robust, scalable deployments. Open source and community. Being open source means a vibrant community is constantly contributing, innovating, and providing support. You're not locked into a proprietary ecosystem. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This sounds a bit like LangChain. And you're right, there are overlaps. Both are fantastic frameworks. However, Haystack often gets praised for its more explicit and potentially easier to jug pipeline construction, its strong focus on production deployment from day one, and its deep integration with a wide array of vector databases crucial for RAG. For many developers, Haystack offers a very intuitive path from idea to reliable application. Okay, enough theory. Let's look at some powerful examples of what you can build with Haystack in 2025. Example 1, the hyper-intelligent customer support bot. Imagine a customer support bot that doesn't just parrot pre-programmed answers. Using Haystack, you can build a bot that connects to your entire product documentation, FAQs and past support tickets, understands nuanced customer queries. If it can't find an answer, it can intelligently summarize the issue and escalate it to a human agent, providing them with all the relevant context it gathered. It can even be an agent that interacts with your order management system to check a delivery status. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a problem-solving assistant. Example 2, the AI research assistant on steroids. For researchers, analysts, or anyone who needs to synthesize information from vast amounts of text, Haystack is a superpower. You could build a system that ingests thousands of research papers, financial reports, or legal documents. An AI assistant that can then perform semantic searches, answer complex questions about the data, identify trends, and even generate summaries or draft reports based on the retrieved information. Think of it as having an infinitely patient and incredibly fast research intern. Example 3, the creative content co-pilot. Haystack isn't just for factual Q&A. Its generative capabilities combined with RAG can be used for creative tasks. Build a tool that helps marketers brainstorm blog post ideas based on current trends and your existing content. Develop an assistant that can draft initial versions of articles, product descriptions, or social media posts, pulling in relevant facts and figures from specified sources. An agent could even analyze competitor content and suggest ways to make yours stand out. And these are just scratching the surface. Think semantic search for e-commerce, intelligent document processing, multimodal applications that understand both text and images, and complex agentic systems that automate entire workflows. So, why should you, an aspiring AI developer or a seasoned pro, care about Haystack in 2025? Build faster and more reliably. Haystack's components and pipelines streamline development, letting you focus on innovation rather than boilerplate code. Its production focus means more robust applications, unlock sophisticated AI, go beyond basic LLM calls, implement cutting-edge RAG and agentic systems that truly differentiate your applications. Stay flexible and future-proof. The modular design means you can adapt to new models and technologies easily. Being open source gives you control and transparency. Join a thriving community, get support, share your creations, and learn from others pushing the boundaries of AI. The Deepset team and the wider community are incredibly active. Feeling inspired? Ready to start building the next generation of AI applications? Getting started with Haystack is surprisingly straightforward, especially if you have some Python experience. Check out the official Haystack documentation. It's incredibly comprehensive with tutorials, guides, and examples. Explore their GitHub repository. Dive into the code, see how it works, and maybe even contribute. Join the Haystack community. Their Discord server is a fantastic place to ask questions and connect with other developers. Experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with a simple RAG pipeline, then try building an agent. The possibilities are endless. I've put all the relevant links in the description below so you can jump right in. Building intelligent applications is no longer a far-fetched dream. It's a rapidly evolving reality. Frameworks like Haystack AI are democratizing access to these powerful capabilities. So, what are you waiting for? If you're serious about building with LLMs in 2025, give Haystack a try. You might be amazed at what you can create. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools and trends, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we'll actually build a mini project with Haystack. And most importantly, let me know in the comments below, what's the first thing you would build with Haystack AI? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.